Never heard this before.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rankin County in central Mississippi, northwestern Smith County in
Severe
central
thunderstorm,
Mississippi,
guys.
southwestern Scott County in central Mississippi until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pulaski or near Morton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pulaski around 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Palmwood and Burns around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Polkville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's a $200